getting it cut though, you guys, so stay tuned for that. Where's your cleats, dude?
I don't know.
Oh, crap. How you feeling, girl? How you feeling?
Good.
What's the score?
1-0, we're winning.
Nice! Oh! Danny and I are gonna go take Ashlynn out to dessert. All right, hey you guys, what is up? Welcome to another Soccer Saturday. I really hope you guys are enjoying these vlogs because soccer is kind of our life. So every Saturday we will be recording Soccer Saturday till the games are over. And I didn't do my hair today. This is what it looks like, air dried, so whatevs. I'm getting it cut though, you guys, so stay tuned for that. That's coming up really soon. You ready for your game?
Yeah, but Mom, remember the other time where you wore the soccer mom shirt?
Yes.
You said you wear that every single
I know, and I forgot to wash it. So otherwise I totally would. Yes, next week for sure, remind me. Boom. You gonna win today? Score some goals? Kick some balls out of the goals? Elijah, you ready for your game?
Yeah.
Where's your cleats, dude?
I don't know.
Oh crap, we better hurry and get those.
I'm checking in the shoebox and not.
We gotta hurry because we're gonna be late. Alright, you guys, headed over to Emberlin's game. It is windy as ever, but it's actually kind of nice because it's hot out here, so it gives us a little bit of coolness. Alright, so Emberlin's up first. Here we go. Get it in! Good girl! Good job! Get it in! How you feeling, girl? How you feeling?
Good.
What's the score?
1-0, we're winning.
They just scored though. I think they did. Oh, they
yeah,
didn't?
they did.
Oh, so it's 1-1?
Yeah.
Awesome. All right, Emberlin's all done. How was it, girl?
Good.
Good. Killed it.
1-3, we lost again.
Who cares?
At first it was 1-0, then we got 1, and then another one, then another one.
That's okay. We're still awesome, right?
The last one, number 3. Well, not number 3 on their team, but like on the last one.
Uh-huh.
On the third goal. It was right at the last second.
Oh, man. That's okay. Now we're off to whose game?
Ashlynn?
Yep, Ashlyn's next.
I thought the boys were next.
Nope, Ashlynn, then the boys.
Oh. That's out of order. Usually the boys are always next.
I know. Dude, what do you have on your face?
Conambas.
Oh my goodness.
I don't want to eat them, so I'm saving them.
Well, don't eat them now. Now you got sunscreen all over them.
And one fell on the grass.
Where the dogs pee. Oh,
Ew.
snap. All right, getting ready for the game. Okay, we're gonna see if Ashlynn can actually, if their team can pull off a win. They've had, I believe, 1 tie and the rest losses this season. This team is totally doable. Like, I feel like they could win this team. So we are gonna see how they do. what?
Pretzels.
Oh, yum. Oh, eat that's your ball, bruh. Hustle, hustle, hustle. Get it, eat, get it, eat, get it, eat. So we have been back for a while from the soccer games. It was a good soccer day today.
Yeah, we just finished our live.
Yeah, we just finished a live. You guys, if
fun.
you have not seen the live that we did, go back and watch it because Braden dances like no joke.
He does the FamBam dance.
He does the FamBam dance, you guys, and it was pretty hilarious. It took us a little while.
There was a lot of negotiating.
There was a lot of bribing going on there. Anyways, go check that out if you haven't seen it already. Right now, we are going to, Danny and I are gonna go take Ashlynn out to dessert. Yeah. We're just kind of doing a mom, dad, daughter date. So yeah. I feel like sometimes you need to do those one-on-ones with your kids. So today it's Ashlynn's turn.
We're gonna go to the Cheesecake Factory, just get some dessert, maybe an appetizer to share.
Danny just downed a hot dog in 2 bites though, on the live.
Oh, man.
So I don't know if do you have room in your stomach still?
For the Cheesecake Factory fried macaroni balls, I have plenty of room.
So good. If you guys have not had those at Cheesecake Factory, the fried macaroni, so good. Anyways, you guys, we'll take you along with us, show you what we get, show you what those macaroni balls look like, and I'm sure we're gonna get some cheesecake too. Okay, here we are. Yeah, Cheesecake Factory.
Cheesecake Factory, 10 at 9.
Yeah, that's how we roll, baby.
Macaroni balls, the best at Cheesecake Factory.
Check these out, you guys.
Look at this.
Oh my goodness. Open that puppy up. Open it up. Going in. Oh, you guys, seriously, thebomb.com.
Thank you.
I got a salad. But I'm still gonna eat some of that. Oh, and then Ashlynn stuffed mushrooms.
Ooh, Ash.
Excited for that?
Mushrooms are really good.
No, they're not.
Like, I actually think they're really good.
They're actually gross.
They actually are.
You're dreaming. So gross.
That looks so good.
They actually do look good, but they, best, best, best. What's the verdict? Good or not good?
Mushrooms are good.
That looks disgusting.
Oh, it looks really good.
A lot of flavor?
Oh yeah. So good. I just got cold.
How you doing, babe?
Pretty good, pretty good.
You think Danny might be getting sick?
I don't know.
Maybe allergies.
Maybe it's from eating like 4 hot dogs
in a row.
Yeah.
Now you're eating bread, and you just ate macaroni cheese balls. Oh my mama.
I think I just need a good night's sleep.
Or a good poop.
Okay, we're eating. Boom. So what did you guys get? Look at these girls taking pictures.
The lemon raspberry cheesecake.
Ooh, lemon raspberry cheesecake. And I got the warm apple crisp. Oh, warm apple crisp. Look at that. Oh. So delicious.
Do it, 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 do it. Ashlyn's so embarrassed right now.
I will do it anyway.